Alright.
We're fishing here in Elicote Creek. We already caught some smallmouth bass. And hopefully catch some more. Oh, he's taking it. There's a little small one. Oh, I just did it. Can you see the fly through the camera?
Not really. And you got a fish, I think. Let me come on this side of you.
Oh, a little one. It ain't a bass, but it's a little shiner. Get it on the video.
Oh, I did a little.
Did you stop the video?
No.
Want to go up to this other hole?
Wait, some just bit that. Wait, where's the other hole at?
Come here.
Wait, let's show the fly that you're using. That big green one I don't think was good.
There's not that big a fish over. Maybe if we come another day, there'll be some more fish.
It's just the beginning of the summer too, so.
Oh, we got some biters. Oh, there's a small one. Let's go to that hole where I caught that bass, because there's some bass in there. I think I'm going to change up my fly.
I think I'm going to try that blue fox lure, should I? Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, they're almost done here. One more fish and we can take it. And then in a little bit I'll let you use this one. Alright. Give me some.
Where's your fly at?
Oh, had it.
Oh, there's a... Do you have it?
Bass. Not a big one, but that's a smallmouth.
Oh, shoot. Uh-oh.
Make sure you get this one videotape. Oh, did you just swallow my hook? Oh, it hurt. Let me get the pliers out. Here, hold that up.
There's probably blood on it for mine.
Yep, that guy's good.
Wait, no. Aw. Oh, I still see him. I'm not sure if you can see him in the water. Is that good now? Should I end the video?
We'll do one more.
Alright.
Because I'm pretty sure I can catch one really quickly.
Bigger one? I swear I seen a big fish in this one. I think it was.
Oh,
Ow.
shit.
It's been 4 minutes, 37 seconds. Hey, can I try when you're done? Oh, you see that red one? I think it's a freaking goldfish. You see it over there?
on, buddy.
That's what I was talking about. What kind of fish is that? A carp?
I really do not know. Come on, go for it.
I don't see it.
Oh man, I'm gonna get this one.
I don't know what kind that is. Could that be like a brook trout or something?
Oh, there's another one with red fins. Those are a certain type of carp. Oh, there's a whole pool of them. There's like 3 of them.
Do you think they would bite my yellow lure? Ugh, foam.
Come on, bite it.
Should I try my yellow lure? It's a good cast. I thought that was it.
Come on, buddy.
Can I just like grab my lure thingy?
They're catfish, you know. I mean, they're carp. They're not gonna take it real.
Oh, that kind of looks like a freaking some other fish are trying to go for it. Where'd that other one go? That was like a clear red one. I mean, jet red one.
There's a little smallmouth trying to take it. There he is, right there, dude. I need him.
Holy shit. You caught the most fish, but I've caught like the biggest one. But I'm pretty sure if you catch that one, it's bigger than mine. Should I end the video? It's been
8
minutes.